Hello everyone, I'm Ria P. Narciso from Base BE1B. Today I explain the account titled Repairs and Maintenance. First is the definition. Repairs and maintenance is an expense account. It records the cost of fixing or maintaining company assets like machine, vehicles, or buildings. This means every time a company spends money on repairs, we debit this account. Example, if a company spends 8,000 pesos to repair a machine, the journal entry is debit repairs and maintenance expense 8,000 pesos, credit cash 8,000 pesos. This shows that the company spent money to keep the truck in working condition. Even though the expense does increase the truck's value, it helps maintain smooth business operation. Next is the importance. This account is important because it helps extend the life of assets, prevent costly breakdown, and keep operation smooth and safe. In short, repairs and maintenance expense keep our business, tools, and equipment running properly. In conclusion, repair and maintenance are essential for keeping assets, equipment, and facilities in good condition. They help extend the life of resources, ensure safety, prevent costly breakdowns, and support smooth business operation. In accounting, repairs and maintenance are recorded as expense with a debit balance, reflecting the cost of sustaining business assets. By investing in proper repair and maintenance, business save money in the long run, and improve overall efficiency. And that's all. Thank you for watching.